Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to restore deleted photos on iPhone. So if you deleted some photos on your iPhone and now you want to restore back all the photos, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to restore deleted photos on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Photos app, scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to where you say Utilities. Click on it. Under Utilities, locate and click on Recently Deleted. Then click on View Album and then confirm your Face ID. Then you should see all your deleted photos. Now to restore deleted photos on your iPhone, all you need to do is select the photo you want to restore. And then click on Recover. However, if you want to recover all the deleted photos on your iPhone, click on Select at the top right. Click on three dots at the bottom right. Then click on Recover All. Then you see that says recover X number of items. Here I have about 184. Then go ahead and click on recover items. Then you are good. All the photos recovered and then moved back to your Photos app. So that's exactly how to restore deleted photos on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.